Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to block emails on Outlook. So first, open your Outlook application. Now I'm already on my email. So let's say this is the person you would like to block or the email you would like to block on your Outlook. So what you need to do is to double click the email. Then here you'll see junk. So click the drop down icon and you'll have an option to click block sender. Click block sender and then just check the tick box here. Then click OK. Close it now. Click no. And that's how to block emails on Outlook app. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.